pouring up the luxury. Tina was an ambitious young woman who longed for a life of luxury and fame. Growing up in the hood, she had to hustle to make ends meet and find her place in the world. She was determined to make something of herself, no matter what it took. Tina had heard of a dance club, located in a part of town where all the rich and famous hung out. She decided to find a way to get in and show off her moves. She put together a plan and started to save up money. She worked hard and scrimped and saved until she had enough to get her foot in the door. Finally, the day came when she had enough money to get into the club. She showed up dressed to the nines and strutted her stuff on the dance floor. Everyone in the club was mesmerized by her moves and she was the talk of the night. She had finally made it. The club owner was so impressed by Tina's moves and ambition, he offered her a job as a dancer. She gladly accepted, and soon she was making more money than ever before. She could finally afford the finer things in life and had plenty of money to pour it up. Tina was living the life she had always dreamed of. With her hard work and ambition, she had made it to the top and was finally living a life of luxury and fame. She had truly achieved her dreams, and it was all thanks to her determination and dedication to her craft. Rihanna, pour it up.